How to save traceback system.accept_info values in a variable. I want to save the name of the error and the traceback details into a variable. Here's is my attempt. Output. Desired output. PS I know this can be done easily using the traceback module, but I want to know usage of system.accept_info to object here.
This is how I do it. You should, however, take a look at the traceback documentation, as you might find there more suitable methods, depending to how you want to process your variable afterwards.
Use traceback.extract_stack if you want convenient access to module and function names and line numbers. Use .join traceback.format_stack if you just want a string that looks like the traceback.print_stack output. Notice that even with .join, you will get a multi-line string, since the elements of format_stack contain \n. See output below. Remember to import traceback. Here's the output from traceback.extract_stack. Formatting added for readability. Here's the output from .join traceback.format_stack. Formatting added for readability.
System.accept_info returns a tuple with 3 values: type, value, traceback. Here type gets the exception type of the exception being handled. Value is the arguments that are being passed to constructor of exception class. Traceback contains the stack information like where the exception occurred, etc. For example, in the following program. Now if we print the tuple, the values will be this. Except_tuple 0, value will be 0 division error. Except_tuple 1, value will be integer division or modulo by 0, string passed as parameter to the exception class. Except_tuple 2, value will be trackback object at some memory address. The above details can also be fetched by simply printing the exception in string format.
The object can be used as a parameter in exception.with_traceback function.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.